All right, here we have question number 4. Question number 4. Here is consider this statement. P, the land is fertile. Q, the farmer harvests big cassava tubers. R, the sun is ash. Then the question now said, which of these represents this statement? If the land is fertile and the sun is not ash, then the farmer harvests big cassava tubers. This question is logic. It's logic. So let's find out the one that represents it. So it is if the land is fertile, and the land is fertile is Q, is P, sorry, we are going to have P and that's conjunction, and the sun is not ash. What we have here is the sun is ash, but here the sun is not ash. That is negation. Negation, the sun of R, negation. Then, this then is given by this. Then the farmer harvests big cassava tubers. The farmer harvests big cassava tubers. So we're going to have Q. If the land is fertile, P, and conjunction, the sun is not ash. Why we have the sun is ash? So we are going to have negation, R. Then the farmer harvests cassava tuber. So the correct answer is, is D. D is the right answer. So let's move into the next question.